What up, Pain? What up, Pain? What's good? What's good? What up, team? What up, Spider? What up, Trip? I'm mad. Yeah. It's real. Not a fake ghosty stream today. Dope boy, username changed. Got you. What up, Monta? Yeah. We back for a bit. What's up, Crypto Rick? I'm doing good, man. I'm doing good. Been a while since I streamed. I don't know. I kind of needed to just like not trade on a public wallet anymore and just kind of, go private for a little bit, get my foot in back, because I feel like the market just kind of changed, man. Just kind of selling on coals, and I don't know. But I think our new strategy is kind of just, while I'm on stream, I'm pretty much not going to buy anything unless I know it's going to run like a 100%. Or not, not 100%, but a higher percentage than not, I should say. Yo, what's up? YVRE. What's good, man? What's up, Jim? Appreciate the follow. Whoever that was. Almost forgot how to stream. Appreciate the follow, Rich Way. It's been so long. I know, right? When was the last time I streamed, man? I feel like it was like 2 or 3 weeks ago, like something crazy. What's up, Hux Motion? Yeah, I feel like it's been a grip though. It's gonna be a short stream today, though. Oh my god, I can't even talk. It's gonna be a short stream today, though. It's gonna be probably like 2 hours, man. I know. I should have got on a little bit earlier, but I just keep getting caught up in stuff, man. I'm also trying to run up this golf account, so I've been kind of doing some editing and learning a lot of stuff with that, but been trading every now and then still. What's up, Twiz? I'm doing good, man. How you doing? What's up, CJ? You got mad and then closed stream. It was a bad day. Yeah, no. Literally, like both times I streamed, it was just fucking horrible. It was actually just horrible. But it's been good, man. I mean, I've been trading privately, on a private wallet. Every now and then on my public wallet, but overall, I mean, up pretty good. I can't complain, man. Up pretty decent. Three weeks. I appreciate the follow. What's up, Alchemist? Can you mog your May calendar? My May calendar. To be honest, I don't even remember what my May calendar was. I need to get my discipline down, man. Market's been humbling me. Glad you're cooking though. Always appreciate the advice. Yeah, man, for sure, man. What was my May calendar? Let me look. May. Oh, you're talking about like show my May calendar. I don't know about show my May calendar. I really want to keep these wallets private. But today we're up pretty fat. Yeah, appreciate the sub, Sebastian. Favorite meme coin trader? Appreciate you, man. What's up, killer? Camera so clean? Is it? Did it actually, the quality get better? Oh, good, I get it. Yeah, man. That's all, that's all. Quality is top? Alright, good. It's been a minute, man. I did get a new camera, though. Got like a 4K little Razer. 4K Razer camera. Best camera on Twitch, not gonna lie? Okay, fuck. That's pretty good. I didn't realize it was that good. I haven't really streamed with it too much, to be honest. Alright, I know that we missed... Yeah, we missed this. Or I did, and I say we, but... I know that I missed that. It was so weird, though. I didn't even know what this was about. It literally, like, spawned... migrated already. Just kind of wild. It looks sharp, but... I'm thinking about maybe, I have a green screen. I'm thinking about maybe doing like a Jinxie type shit where I just show myself, like no background. I don't know yet. I might do that until maybe I start actually doing shit behind me. But yeah, I'm not sure if I even would have bought this, but kind of nuts. What's up, friend? Yeah, appreciate the follow, Chas. Appreciate the follow, King. Damn, it's pretty damn dead. Not really anybody streaming either. Rasmer streaming? That's interesting. So Rasmer, he streams, but he doesn't really have a lot of people that watch him for as many followers as he has. I mean, I guess he's not really like a streamer. Maybe he's trying to get into it or something. Interesting. Not really too many people on though. You, Jason Profit, appreciate the sub, man. Appreciate the gifted. Appreciate it. I hope whoever got that's in stream. Appreciate you though, man. Thank you. WW, appreciate you, bro. Oh, I was about to say, damn, did I miss a $2 million runner? Damn, I missed this though. Oh, dude, that sucks, dude. Fuck, man. Dude, these BNB plays are just so fucking easy. You just gotta be up when they come out. I mean, like the easiest 500, like you could have just blasted it, just guaranteed profits. I've been kind of cooking in BNB a little bit here and there. Was this one cook 0.5 to 5 soul 5 or just messed up PNL? Wait, what are you talking about? Bottom left. Oh yeah, my BNB PNL is it's for sure bugged out. But I think I just built this. When did I get this? It was on a what coin was it? I don't even remember. But it was literally just a Binance tweet, and I just fucking blasted it. Yeah, but it's bugged out. OXQ's bugged out a little bit. Just reset it, to be honest. You kind of remind me of Johnny Sins. Motherfucker, how? Hitler official. What the fuck? Drop another coin and save the trenches. I thought about starting a dev, to be honest. This music got me thinking of Slice of Life anime. Haven't really seen too many Slice of Lives. Good at everything: trenching, singing, dancing. Yo, he's back. What's up, Burks? Risen. Ebola. Chasing profit with another gifted. Oh, damn. Evan OXQ's got it. Hey, that's kind of a fucking W gift, bro. Appreciate you, Chasen. And congrats, Q's, man. D Cooks with the tier 1. I appreciate you, man. 9 months. Currently on an 8-month streak. Appreciate you, brother. Thank you. I know it's been a minute, man, but I appreciate you. I really appreciate that. WW. Yeah, I know it's been a minute. I'm gonna get back on the streams. Like I said, I think, you know, I'm just gonna play it a little bit more like a little bit more guaranteed plays. At least try to, man. It's really hard to say that like hindsight, but market low-key dead today. Yeah, I don't even think I traded. When are you streaming all 18 holes? I don't know if I'll stream it, but maybe I'll make a video someday. Been on for 6 hours and there's basically been nothing. Damn. Yeah, I mean, I really think the only thing has been attention, right? This has been the only coin. This is fake, right? Oh my god, is this not fake? Yeah, it's fake. Has to be. What's your handicap? To be honest, brother, I have no idea. People ask me that all the time, but I really don't know. Like, probably like 15 to 20, bro. Like, it's not very good. Like, I haven't been playing for that long. Is this really good? Like, this good? Yeah. Yeah, I missed gold times. You're the only code that's not using chat as EL. Salute you. Appreciate you, man. I mean, my goal is never that, you know? It's fake? What's fake? Oh, you're talking about the Hitler? The Hitler coin? Yeah. How long am I on for? No, excuse me. Not too long, man. Just a couple hours. I was gonna get on a lot earlier, but I just got caught up in some stuff. Bro, why do I keep getting these? Oh. Fucking mayhem coins. Get that shit out of here. Realistically, I don't want any of this shit. Like, all fucking trash, right? There was a few coins, man. I cooked pretty hard on this alien coin a couple days ago, I believe. Made a good amount on that one. A few others, can't really remember. I'm back, crypto, bro. I'm back. The Trump one? Yeah, the Trump one. Yeah. I had a private and a public in that one. Yeah, it was called, I think it was called like The Alien or some shit like that. I can't remember. That wasn't just from the 14K, but I made some on that. I can't remember the others, man. There's just so many coins, like, all the time. I mean, this is just getting touched right now. Me and Gijo Loki have been buying some good coins lately too. What the fuck is this dog shit? Bro, imagine you fucking snuck in this shit before they just blasted the bundle. Like, wow. That would be fucking hilarious. It's a quick fucking 3x. Jesus. She walked into a slaughter. Yeah. It's gonna be kind of boring, man. Just waiting for shit, but it is what it is. Appreciate the follow. Dre, appreciate the follow. Appreciate you. Yeah, we're gonna see. Pepe000 scam? Oh, question mark. No. This is me. This is me. Oh, you know, speaking of that, actually, did they change their profile pic too? Like, are they still Okay, they finally stopped, bro. They finally stopped. They finally stopped with the scam streams. Holy. It took me like not streaming for 2 weeks for them to finally stop. Yeah, man. Yeah. I know they were doing it for a while. Smirkio. I have no idea what that means, brother. Okay, Tolly tweet. I mean, this bonds, right? Okay, we're getting blasted. You know I love you, Ghost. I love you too, brother. Waterfall. I was trying to find a place to buy a little bit more. Maybe right here. Let's buy a little bit more. Are we getting vamped? What's happening? Oh, I see what that waterfall guy was saying. I'm getting vamped though. It's a treasure hunt? Huh. I don't know, chart looks kind of crazy though, man. Jesus. Alright. Well. Basically held that to 0. I don't know. I mean, there's hella bundles in, you know? 30%. This wallet. It's not locked. I don't know. It seems kind of sketch. Damn, I really thought this chicken one was gonna go, man. Maybe just because it wasn't, like, Tolly didn't tweet the image. I don't know. It will. Maybe I sold too early. I don't know. It's like just a crazy drop, right? It's just like, I mean, I had it like here. I don't know. Bro, what? Why are people buying this? know, man. Like, it's so weird. Like, how does that bond? But this doesn't bond. Weird. I don't know. It might be fake. I have no idea. It just doesn't... Like, there's no world where it seems like it's, like, a sustainable coin. Because it's a god artist. I don't know, man. I just don't know if that matters. Like I feel like these... Like, in what world does, like, a coin that's, like, basically trying to combine a bunch of other existing coins, when does that ever do well, you know? I don't know. I mean, Chill House was the only one. And I still feel like that was like an anomaly, you know? Appreciate the follow, Dumb. What's up, Shampoo? Hey, what's up, Oz? I've been good, man. Appreciate the follow up here. Jesus, why is Bitcoin getting freaking nuked? New day started. I remember you had the cyst. Yeah, it's still low key. It tries to sneak back up, man. But I've been getting way more active, and honestly, since I've been getting way more active, walking and running a lot, it's kind of just disappeared. So I think that's kind of what it's been, low key. I don't know. It's just they've done this so many times. Like all this really has going for it is Temu gig, and it's just like I don't think I buy that, to be honest. Only real OGs know the cis lore. Yeah, man. Only the OGs. Only the OGs. Final stretch filter. Type exclamation point filters. That still should be like accurate, I think. Check crime. There's been tweets every minute. Only shit is that Temu Geek has the floor. Yeah. Wake up, roll up, walk the dogs on the coast every morning. I mean, that would be a pretty good life, no? Someone has 14%. Oh, for real? I didn't even notice that. Are you talking about this? Like in bubble maps? Not seeing anything that big, bubble maps. I'm probably not gonna buy that either way, though. Well, I took a whole year off. Meme coins came back to bundle central. Yeah, low key. A lot of bundles, man. Yeah, they're market making the chart on stablecoin. I track the bundles. Got you. Got you. A little bit of some market making. Interesting. I just feel like I get why they made it. It's just, I don't know. It's been done so many times. I'm just like trying to find a world whenever I buy coins now to like, why would this go? Like, why would, like, if I buy this coin right now, why would it go? Why would it bond? Like, does it have like the strength to bond? And it's like when I look at this, it's like I don't even know how this bonded, to be honest. So I don't care. And then I look at this. It's like this right here. I thought this would bond just because it was Tully, but maybe because he didn't, like I said, he wasn't the one that tweeted the picture. But what big caps do you hold? To be honest, man, I don't really hold too much in crypto anymore. I rotated a lot of my money just in RWA for the most part. Even after you get to that conclusion, you have to compete with vamps. Yeah. Right. And so another thing I started doing this on my private wallets. Like I haven't really been doing this on my main. Is I'm kind of sharing with y'all the sauce, right? But my theory, it's kind of a conspiracy theory, but it fucking works for me. Is like usually what happens, right? There'll be like some sort of runner that will start gaining some traction, and then like a fucking weak ass vamp will come out. So what I started doing was I will bid the vamp, and again I do it on my non-public wallet because I don't want people fucking thinking I'm like, you know, whatever. But like I'm just playing the game, right? So I'll bid the vamp. The vamp usually will end up bonding. Okay? After bond, I'll fucking clip out. Because 9 times out of 10, everybody ends up rotating back to the OG, like back to the original runner. And at the top of the vamp, usually when it bonds, the other one tanks like 50%. So then basically if you didn't get fucking entry on like the main one, you could then get entry there from the vamp. And then usually what ends up happening is then the vamp eventually ends up dying. And then everybody that sold the OG rotates back into the OG, then the OG just fucking goes. So like I've been playing those plays a lot too, and like been making a lot of money from that. it's just hard to do with like a coal, like being like with a coal wallet, because people treat coal wallets like sometimes like as sell signals, right? Like as tops, as tops of coins. Like if they end up top blasting or whatever. So it's a little bit easier for me to trade on non-public wallets and kind of just play the game, opposed to trading on my public wallet. So that's like, you know what I mean? That's why I like having a public or a private wallet and trading on that too, because I know how to trade. Like I've made millions of dollars from doing this shit. It's just gotten a little bit more toxic with the whole coal culture and shit like that. No, not really any stock. Well, I mean, if we're talking about S&P 500, like ETFs and shit like that, oh, 100%. Yeah. Definitely rotating money into those. But like regular stocks by themselves, not really. New Lego game is fire, not gonna lie. I haven't played it, man. Excuse me, sheesh. Yeah, I swing trade the vamps when super volatile. Yeah. How you making money? Oh, well, stuff like that, mainly on your private wallet, here and there on a public wallet. What do you call it? Longs. I made it. Well, I won't lie. My last long trade, I lost. I lost like 5K, but for the most part, I've been making money on that. Are you bored? Look at Solana chart. Yeah, I don't want to look at it, man. I see Bitcoin's bouncing though. I just need this to bounce, man. Oh, what the fuck? This isn't Bitcoin. There we go. I just need this to bounce, bro. Get a good bounce. Get back. If this gets back into the 80Ks, I mean, I'm paid. Or like 80K in general, I'm paid. So right now, coins are good. Point for 20 minutes and die right after. Yeah. Can you explain to me how to understand the narratives of coins like stablecoin? Well, that's already gone. But You kind of just have to be on, man. You have to kind of chronically be on, right? So stablecoin, the whole narrative behind it was that Pump Fund added the ability to trade stablecoins. So instead of using Solana to trade, you could just use USDC to trade. So with that being said, right, like there hasn't been a narrative of that that's even bonded. At least I don't think, right? I haven't really been on today, but that's where that stablecoin narrative kind of came from. I'm not an unk, but I'm in good Sigma. Yeah, Twitter trackers definitely help for sure. What's up, Baron? Dude, I love fucking with scammers, bro. I just fucking wasted this guy's time so much acting like I was gonna buy this fucking scam coin he's trying to get me to buy. Hey, no problem here. Hey, what's up, Shovelhead? Is this the real you? There's always some fake stream specifically of you. Bro, are they still doing that? Like, I looked to see and there wasn't any on right now. What did I hit on today? Nothing too crazy today. But this is since Sunday. The PNL here. This is the real Ghosties reading chat. I do that all the time. What? 2 days ago? Jesus, man. There's just no way to stop him either. Like I've tried messaging Twitch. They just create new accounts, bro. Every time they just create new accounts. Yeah, Pain. Oh no, not today. Like I said, since Sunday. Today I think I'm only up like 1,000 or something. Nothing too crazy. I downloaded because of you and lost 10 soul. I know that you're fucking trolling, man. You have to be trolling. AI, you've been replaced. And all I do is put in links in for chat. Yeah, it's so stupid, man. It's honestly so dumb, but it is what it is. I mean, in the perspective of the trenches, right? 1K isn't really too much. Hey, it's actually gonna go. It's definitely trash. Womble. Scented has a good amount of supply. He split a little bit. New PFP is fire. Which one? My Twitch or I changed it on X. All my PFPs are different now. This doesn't really help, but I did create a new like ghosty logo though. I get so pissed off myself every day when I open X. I see same people posting a screenshot, blah, blah, but I'll take it. I mean, I'll never say, if I make 100 soul, I would never just be like, well, could it did better. Guys, I could have did better. I was fucking slacking today. Just made 130 soul. Hopefully next time, you know, I can actually make a lot of money, you know? Like, I'm never gonna be fucking that guy. But I mean, legitimately, $1,000 isn't. It's crazy to some people, but you know, 100 soul though. I think across the board, unless you're like a fucking billionaire, will always be like a pretty good chunk of change. All right, it's like almost 10 bands, like 8,500. It's a good amount of money. Never worked a day in their life. Yeah, but I think Scented says it more like of the irony of it. You know what I mean? And same with DV. I think they say it more like ironically. Alright, fuck it. Let's get in here. It's holding well. Trolling a bit, yeah. I mean, an anteater. Oh my god, is that for real? God damn it. And what the fuck was Womble? Man, I just got fucking fudded out of that shit. That shit's retarded. Send it to fucking 0. I don't know. I don't know if this is really that good. He's live right now. I don't know. I feel like it's alright, but I don't know. I don't think it's that good. Their name is Oni, but their nickname is Wombles. I mean, at this point, bro, I don't even know. Do you trade Ton or base? No, but I heard fucking base is going crazy. I'm trying to get the Axiom team to add base before they add ETH. But I mean, we'll see. Damn, you're tapped in like that? What do you mean? Oh yeah. I work pretty closely with Axiom. Yeah, I got Trojan to add Ton. Yeah. I don't know. Attention is kind of an anomaly. I haven't really been on to know. Reverse copy trade me on one, but I'm up fat. Well, good for you, man. Missing a runner? Which one? What are we missing? Appreciate the follow, DV Troller. How did they make a USDC pair? What do you mean? Check PUSDC, pump USD deploy? Wait, what's the CA on that? Wait, why don't I see that? Am I smoking meth here? That shit doesn't even come up. It's on pump A. Why isn't that shit popping up on here? Oh, what the hell? Whoa, what the fuck did I just witness? Bro. There's fucking no liquidity. The fuck's going on? Jesus. I'm glad I didn't buy that shit. Damn. This is kind of annoying. Whatever though, I guess. What in the fuck? Oh, he actually made money from that. Oh no, he didn't. Never mind. I thought it said $500. Jesus. You think Phoenix might run? Not sure. Maybe. Just type exclamation point filters Raphael. What market cap are we slamming Troll at? Man, if I would have known Troll was gonna go on that insane fucking run, dude, I would have blasted like 50k at like 10 mil. God damn it, Womble's fucking running now. Oh, that's honestly just so annoying, bro. I don't even know why I let whoever that was in chat FUD me out. I should have just looked at it myself. It is what it is though, man. Like, they're trying to PvP it with Oni, but it's like they already got Dex paid over there, Greg bought, the banner's cool. Like, it's just, this is probably just bundle or, you know, people trying to fucking get in at a lower price. It's so dumb. Oh, never fudge you, goat. What if it dips to 90 mil? Probably not, man. I just like, I'm not really in the mood right now to blast like higher cap meme coins like that. What's up, Wheezy? Appreciate you, man. Hey, shout out TD Milky though. That guy's up. Like, I just don't feel like Plants is good enough. Like, I don't think people care. Like, if maybe the fucking Plants were playing like fucking Mozart, then alright. But it's just kind of like, they're just fucking making noise. What chat am I reading? I'm reading Twitch and YouTube chat. I see both of them. YouTube chat's very active. Yeah. A little bit of some Bandit FUD there. Probably because Bandit's in this one. Oh no, he's just FUDing the FUD. Sick. What's up, Goku? Sorry, man, it has two names in the article, my bad. No, you're good, you're good. I like, I'm not saying that against you. I'm just saying I should have looked myself before just selling because of what I read in chat. So I'm saying that's on me. Appreciate the follow, Aaron. Bandit is so annoying sometimes. I'm not gonna lie. There's sometimes where I'd fucking do the same shit, but like it's not. I would never do it in this situation because it wouldn't make sense. But like sometimes there's shit that's running that literally is just like retarded. It's like, why is that even running? Because like the other one is correct, but it is what it is, you know. What's up, Fire Gunner? See, it would have been cool if they paid Dex and actually made like a community or something, you know? Like I feel like if we lost communities on X, right? Like why not just go back to Reddit? Why not just go back to Reddit meta and create Reddit forums and push coins how we used to do back in the day? I feel like that should be the way that we move forward with X removing communities. Coins back then would go to fucking millions, you know, people bag worked and they held, you know, always left a bag in if they sold. I just don't, like, Telegram's cool, I just don't feel like it's as good as Reddit, man. I feel like the Reddit era was better. Like Reddit era was when they had like the K9 dog and the fucking snake with hat, like all that shit. And those went to like millions, man, like high 8 figures. There's like several more, obviously, but Flog Dev, yeah. Reddit bans everything. Oh, is that what they're doing now? They're banning all that shit? There used to be literally like a crypto section on Reddit where people... Did they get rid of that? Yeah, that's kind of my point too. Like TG just it's so synonymous with like scams, you know? I mean, if that's where we end up going, that's where we end up going, but I mean, if we can't go on Reddit. You know, it would be pretty lit, bro, if Axiom added like some type of community shit like that. I don't know how the fuck they would do it, but that would be pretty cool. Like, everybody's on Axiom for the most part anyway, so I feel like it would kind of work out. The only problem, I guess, would be like the only other way to shill it would be like on CT, and you would share like the Axiom community link of a coin. I don't know. I'm just yapping about shit. Nothing. Womble's good. Yeah, I'm pretty sure X is removing communities pretty soon, no? Like I think they already removed the ability to create a new community. Yeah, pretty much, Wheezy. The 30th this month, yeah. Yeah, for the X chats crap, but the X chats is annoying, man. I don't really like it. True, I am japped. I feel like there'll be times where we rotate back to those eras. I don't know. I mean, all of CT is asking why as well, Rhombus. Just because, I guess. Just because they feel like what's his name? Nikita Bear, whatever the fuck his name is, feels like they weren't used enough. So they're eradicating them from the face of the earth. Baby, I just don't get it. Do you enjoy being hurt? Wait, so Scented devved this coin with his wallet, working with Flogdev? Oh, Flogdev follows me too. Like, I feel like this could go crazy. HM. Did I buy LARP? No. Oh, is that Scented? Oh, yeah. I'm fucking retarded, bro. I'm actually stupid. Hey, whatever, bro. Whatever. It's fucking, just fucking LARP for the win, bro. I don't know. Oh shit. You did, Shine. You did. I just didn't know what you were talking about. I didn't know what you were talking about. Dude, that's actually so fucking funny that Scented is doing this right now. Like, I mean, I'm just holding unironically for the meme of it, man. Like, the new Flog dev. Oh shit, Raji with the fucking 16 months. Oh my god. Raji, I think, has literally been subbed to me basically since I've been fucking streaming, bro. What a fucking goat. What an actual goat. How long have you been streaming? Well, I mean, he had been subscribed for 16 months, so I think I've been streaming a bit longer than that. Probably like 19 months, maybe 20. Check me, please. How do I do that? Where are you at? You're on Twitch? You have been following me since October 4th, 2025. That's a W as well. That's over a year, no? Yeah. Oh yeah, appreciate you. They made another USDC pair. Bro, I'm not buying that shit, bro. I don't want to get touched like how everybody else got touched. Yeah, you could do exclamation point follow age. I believe that works. What's up, Chaw? Yeah, exclamation point watch age, I think, should show you how long you've been, I think, watching or following me or some shit like that. I'm gonna buy one more soul here. I just want to see what this does if it bonds, man. Maybe I think it's follow age. Yeah, I think it's follow age. Because that would be insane if Scented actually just fucking completely rebranded his main Scented page to become the Flog dev, dude. Like, that shit would be fucking crazy. I learned something with fog. What'd you learn? What up, Brex? Haven't seen you in a minute, man. I haven't seen like a lot of y'all in a minute, but. Goes, you could give me a wallet review and tell me what I could do to improve. Yeah, for sure. Let me wait. Let me see what this coin does first, and then I'll do some wallet reviews. There was somebody on X actually that wanted me to do that. I don't know if he's here, but. Trying to diamond hand this. I just wanted to migrate. Yeah, you might be right, Yield. Yeah, appreciate the follow, Tripper. Alright. My limit order. Okay, it's right there. I'm not gonna lose on this. Alright. Send me your wallet. Send me your wallet. I'll do a wallet review. This is my wallet. Alright, bet. We are looking at Top Sigma's wallet. How would I look this up? Can I look up a wallet here? To go here? Let me figure out how I need to do this. Oh my goodness. Alright, I'm gonna create a new group called Wallet Review. Alright, wallet review here. Let's check them out. Let me also just have Pulse open over here. Alright. Alright, Top Sigma. His wallet currently has 110 doll hairs in it. Let's see. Been trading since May 6th of this year. Currently up $62 overall. All right, let's check out what you got. All right, so you bought Womble. Wait, where? All right, hold on. I need to change your. Let me just change this to like. Alright, so you bought this one. Let's see where you're at. 12K? Okay, so this one basically you just did what I did on this one, so we're not gonna look at that. Crime. Okay, crime, you made 5 cents on crime. Alright, now where did you buy this? Are we smoking meth here? Where the fuck's your wallet at? Hello? Is it too small of an amount to even show up? Does it have to like be $1? I feel like it might have to be $1. Anyways, let's see. So you got in crime at 62K and got out at basically, all right, 67K and basically got out at 67K. See, the problem is I don't know what 67K you got in and got out at. Oh, I see you. You're right here. I mean, as far as like a break-even type of trade, God, I wish I could can I just filter yours and just remove everybody else's? Nah, because then I remove yours. I mean, overall, I mean, a good break-even trade, I would say pretty much the top. This was a good top. But, I mean, a relatively break-even trade. Can't really learn much from that one. Let's go find something that you lost a lot on. So, I mean, the first thing I'm right off the back seeing is, like, you're trading with very, very low amounts. So, like, if I'm being honest, trading with this low amount is virtually useless because you're gonna lose a majority of that to your fees. Like, even if you use my code and you get like the discount on like your fees or whatever, it's still gonna eat into your profits, right? Because you're still getting full stomped by pump fees. So what I would recommend, I mean, you're up $62. The fact that you've traded with this little and you're up, you know, $62 is pretty good. Like, overall, that's pretty good, right? Like, overall, you're positive. You've only been trading since earlier this year, so I would say, like, that's a good start. But if you want to, as far as like how your wallet will exponentially grow, this amount won't get you there. I'll just be honest. Like, it's gonna take you years to make good money. Like, trading this way, because you're kind of trading, you're not necessarily scalping, but it's not like you're not really buying crazy long-term holds, right? You're kind of getting into a position maybe around the 100K range, then you're getting out. I mean, I only saw a couple of your trades, but like, you see what I mean? Like, you bought here and you sold here, and you basically made nothing because most of the fees ate that. You bought here, and then you ended up probably losing overall. So not the greatest trade. But again, I would say the main thing right now is you would probably want to build your port up, or not build your port up, but trade with a higher port, trade with higher size. And like, it's not even, you don't even have to go up that much, but simply going from $4 a trade to like $25, right? A trade is infinite. You're gonna see results infinitely more, right? Like, if you were to take 25 instead of 4, like if 4 is your average and you replaced all of this with like 25, that's like a 6x or like a 5.5x, right? Some shit like that. You would be up like $300, $400, which is already like a significantly more of an amount. Let's look at your past trades. It's just really hard to review your wallet since your buys and sells are so small. Yeah, I'll do a couple more wallet checks in a bit. Let's see what we got. A lot of bundles still in this one. Overall, I mean, Elmo, a very mid narrative. I see what you're trying to go for, you know, fundraiser play, Elmo, but I think overall pretty mid narrative. Probably not the best buy on that one. I mean, I think honestly also a very, very mid narrative, and even going up into this point just doesn't look very, very good. It's like maybe if I would have gotten down here would have been a good hold, but it's like something I don't think I would ever buy up here. Like, just very, very mid. The creator of Elmo died. Was that what this coin was spawned from? Been ages, bro. Yeah, no. So is that where this came from? The creator of Elmo died. Ah, I see. Wow. Yeah, I mean, actually, that would be a pretty good bid. I'm surprised this didn't do better than that. Like, I guess what I'm thinking is there was probably like an OG or something that people just rotated to and said, fuck this coin. That would honestly be my guess. Well, not that one. God, which one is fucking real? All these fucking Meteora trash coins. This one? Oh, it died though. Yeah. Makes sense. Yeah, so honestly, like on those types of situations, excuse me, I would just go for, I would probably look for the OG. I would get into the new one, but I would only get into it if I got in pretty early. And I would probably just shoot for a 2x, a 3x, but then also buy the OG. Right? I feel like that's definitely like an OG play if possible. Always check for the OGs, man. The OGs are starting to kind of come back. Kind of just looks like a FOMO blast, maybe. Yeah. It's hard. I mean, this could be a good buy, right? Solana tweet. But it's just, oh man, it's just these candles up are just insane. It'd be hard for me to bid. I mean, you came out alive at least. But yeah. Tro bought back OG meta. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. I think I'd agree with that. Let's look at one more, man. Where in the world did you even buy this at? Wow, you actually had a pretty good entry here. 100K. And you sold right before this little sell-off, and then it spiked back. Interesting. I mean, this is a cool concept of a coin. I see why it's still up. I think you just had to have more patience on this. I think that you had God entry. I think you just needed more patience on it, especially since they locked 11% as well. Yeah. You gotta look at like the coins that you buy as like literally attention is currency, right? Like that's literally what we're trading. Attention is completely fucking currency. So you have to, whenever you're buying coins, you have to have like your own price target and a price target of how high a coin can go. Like how high will the coin that you buy go? If that price target of the coin is like 700K, you get in at 100K, you have to hold it, man. Like that has to be your synopsis. And the way that you think about how high coins go are based on what the narrative is even about, right? Are there people running it? Are they actually doing stuff for the coin? You know, like when did they lock 11%? Oh, they're locking percents of the coin. It's a team that actually cares about it and they're running it. Dope. Like that's great. Like that's usually a good sign. Okay, this team is going to be pushing it. If they're pushing this coin, that means more attention is going to be garnered for this narrative. Therefore, it's more worth holding long term. Right? Like if you wanted to be safe, you got in at 100K. If your price target's 500K and it gets to 300K, you could take your initials at 300K and wait to see it go to 500K, right? Goes to 500K, take a 25% clip, take another 25% clip, and then maybe see if it goes a little bit higher. If it goes a little bit higher, you know, clip accordingly, right? But always have those like target goals of where you think a coin will go. I think on a narrative like this isn't a narrative that you're looking to necessarily flip. Like you're holding it to see if the team running it is actually a team running it and they're actually doing stuff to propel the project forward, right? So as you're holding, you know, obviously you might have the chart open because you don't know necessarily, right? If there's a dev, I don't know if they're holding a dev percentage, because if they're holding a dev percentage and they dev sell, then it's going straight to zero. So you want to watch the chart, you know, make sure what you're looking at is good. You're monitoring what they're tweeting, you're checking and verifying everything that they're saying they're actually doing, and then you go from there, right? If everything is checking the box, then you just hold that shit, bro. Like you just hold that shit. But yeah, this could have been a really good play for you. But fuck, I missed entry on Womble, bro. Yeah, shit's kind of fucking tank or sending. But yeah, that's what I'll say, man. That's what I'll say about your wallet so far. Keep all that in mind. Big thing, I would increase your trade port, how much you're actually putting in. Stay smart though, like don't be dumb. It doesn't really seem like you've bought a lot of slop, which is pretty big because it seems like you're damn near brand new. So it seems like you bought a lot of pretty decent narratives for the most part, right? Like most of the coins that you bought have migrated, have gone 120 plus K. I think it's just your positioning needs to get better. Like you need to recognize it's a good narrative sooner. So I think that's a big thing you could work on, is that. But otherwise, I mean, I think you're on the right track, right, brother? I mean, you're up $62 overall. You're not negative. You know what I mean? You had more winning trades than losing trades. I mean, that doesn't necessarily matter. It's really like how much you've won per trade and how much you've lost. But overall, pretty decent, man. I would say keep it going. If you want to keep it safe and you want to keep on learning, trade with the same amounts, man. Like obviously, like you're on the right track. Just keep in mind that this low amount fees will be eating that shit. Like you are gonna get eaten by fees. Like that's just kind of the reality of trading with that little amount. But overall, brother, pretty good, man. Pretty good job. Pretty good job overall. All right, I'll do one more because that kind of took a while. Do one more wallet. Anybody else want me to look at their wallets? Check my wallet and my last trade. Okay, send me your wallet, CJ. Soul Incinerator after every trade saves him. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. Alright. Oh, excuse me. Alright, so I'm gonna add you CJ. And we're gonna give you a flag as well. I'm just gonna give you a red flag. Alright, let's see. Alright. CJ's up $175 total since April 11th. So not bad. Seems like we were pretty steady here and you had a pretty big jump. Alright. Oh, looks like this is the pretty big jumper here. Faux far. I don't even know what the fuck this is. What in the fuck are you buying, brother? What the fuck am I even looking at here? What the fuck am I looking at, bro? Yeah, I have no idea how you made any money on this. No clue. I couldn't fucking tell you. I can't even fucking see your buy anymore. Yeah, I have no idea, brother. No idea how you made that. Alright, you lost $3 on this. Why am I not seeing your thing? I don't know why I'm not seeing your bubble pop up. Like, am I smoking meth right now? Where the fuck is your bubble at? I know I can filter wallets, only can see his bubble, but like where the fuck is his, why am I not seeing it? Click the first icon. What first icon? It's the amount you're filtering. How do I even change that? It's because he's not trading with enough? I don't even know how to change that, to be honest with you. Well, it's fucking GG's. What the fuck? Change minimum in settings. Oh god. What settings, man? I mean, if I'm just going off market cap, it looks pretty decent on this trade. Go next, guys. Guys, 3 trades lifetime. Yeah, man, I mean, it really just looks like whatever this trade was, you made a good amount of money, but... and dumb money, but that's about it, man. Alright, let me get one more wallet. Alright, Ram really wants... I'll check Ram's wallet here. Ram, appreciate the follow. Alright, we go red. Alright, Ram, you are down 1.23k. Alright. Not great. Alright, let's see. So you're spam buying PUSD for some reason. I don't know what the fuck's going... Hello? Alright. Troll House. Yeah, see, Troll House, I was already saying, was kind of a meh narrative. Kind of looks like you blasted the top. And you insta-sold. Yeah, so already kind of a mistake here, bro. Like, in my opinion, this narrative by itself was already really mid. So the fact that you're top blasting is like giga dangerous. Like, it's just, it's never really the move. Top blasting at like a very mid narrative. You're pretty much just asking to be like EL at that point. So that, for sure, just a bad trade. Let's see, what else we got here? Alright, you made $15 on this one. Let's check it out. So you basically bought this one with me and basically broke even with me as well. But I mean, if this wasn't a copy trade and this was like kind of your own buy, I get it. It just, you know, I get why you would buy it. Tally tweet, image. Would be something I would expect to at least migrate. You got in at a pretty good market cap. So, just kind of didn't work out. It's what it is, but you still made some money. Alright, let's go look at some of your losses here. Alright, open claw. I mean, this was a pretty big coin. So again, you kind of top blasted. Man, really the only time you should ever top blast, like you would top blast here. Yeah, I get the claim. I get why it went. I get why it went. But the only time you should ever think about top blasting is if you're top blasting around the peak of when the news happened, right? So like top blasting anywhere here could yield something, could. But you kind of top blasted in like the weird consolidation zone, right? And it's just risky, man. It's just risky. It's like if you didn't get in on the tweet play somewhere whenever it happened, right? Somewhere whenever when they claimed, then you're really risking a lot. I mean, you lost $15. It is what it is. But yeah, you have to kind of be careful with these tweet plays, right? The only time, again, like I said, you should ever do it is if you're getting in around the spawn of the news. XAI tweeted OpenClaw 2. Yeah. So it's a risky play. Like I can see what you're going for the play, because if there's this much momentum, there might be more. But it's just more of a riskier play, right? Damn, Wobble is moving, man. That sucks. That would be at fat. I had that at 12K. Alright, let's look at a couple more. Let's see. Some of your bigger losses. J and S. I mean, oh, okay, you bought way over here. I was about to say, I mean, you had God entry. Definitely should have clipped some, but you're over here. Yeah, I mean, there's no reason to buy anymore. Like, there's obviously so many snipers just fucking clipping the charts. The chart looks fucking insane. Like, it doesn't really look good. Like, it's like it could be a good narrative, but you also have to take the chart for what it is as well. The reality of you trading, you know, as somebody that's not a Cole or somebody that can't bring attention to something, is your buy here is never going to do anything. Like, you're essentially hoping that somebody else buys and brings attention to it. Because the reality is, like, you're not going to bring any attention to it by buying it. You're just not. You know what I mean? So, it's already dead here. Like, at this point, it's already dead. Letter bomb sold, it's already dead. Like, it's already here. So, I think you just have to come to terms that you're not a Cole yet. You could become one, but you're not one yet. So, there's no reason to be buying here. It's already dead. Even before letter bomb sold, it's already dead. So just overall, just bad trade, bad buy. Just don't do that shit again, and you'll have more money. All right, let's look at one more, man, and we're gonna call it here for the wallet reviews. Let's check Zuck. Let's see what you did with Zuck here. All right, so Zuck, you actually had a pretty good entry. Where are you at? Where the fuck are you at? Oh, did you buy late? You might have bought late. Where in the world is your buy at? Womble 200k, you're lying. Oh my god, I hate myself. I actually hate myself. World fucking bot. I actually hate myself. I would be up so much money, bro. Oh my god. Reeler, I appreciate these 17 months, bro. Thank you so much. Oh, bro, we had Womble at 12k, dude. And literally sold. It's on me. I won't even front. It's on me. But fuck, dude. Unfortunate, man. Appreciate the sub again, Reeler. 17 months, brother. Okay, let's figure out where you bought and sold here so we can wrap this up. Okay, so you bought here. So this was like a Telegram tweet. That's a crazy fucking, bro. That's a crazy fucking image. Okay, so already narrative is pretty insane. Okay, it looks like you bought some here. You did a really good job DCAing, and then you gave up. So the first problem is you top blasted, so you put yourself already at a riskier position. If you know it's a good narrative, though, again, it's fine top blasting. You just have to fucking hold, right? You did a good job DCing, and then you ended up giving up because the pressure was going too much. Ideally, right? Ideally, if all trading is psychological, right? It's all psychological. If you know what you're buying is a $100,000, $200,000 narrative, and it very well, when you're looking at Mark Zuckerberg with that fucking crazy ass pose, and Telegram themselves being the one tweeting it, that's already a lot of catalysts for it to go higher. Like, it's already a lot of catalysts for it to go higher, right? So top blasting is sketchy, but if I'm looking at this, I'm seeing at least 200k. Like that's what I would think, at least 200k. But you got to be careful with top blasting, man. You want to always look for good entries, and sometimes you might not get those entries, and you have to be okay with letting go. Like, you know, like okay, I didn't get my entry. I don't feel comfortable top blasting here. Maybe if it falls back down to you know 20k, which it basically did right here, then I'll get in, and and my risk will be much lower. But I don't feel comfortable top blasting around 60k. Okay, we can see that you ended up getting FOMO again. you got FOMO once again, and you rebought. Okay, you rebought $10, and I actually ended up taking, getting some P back. Cool, not too bad, right? But overall, it was a strong narrative, and it did end up going 200k. Was that it? That's all it went. It was, yeah, about 200k. And so you could have made more money, right? But overall, it's a good buy. The buy makes sense. It wasn't a trash coin. Good narrative. Generally though, when I'm looking at tweets of memes that are coming from big accounts, easily, I'm already saying 200k. I'm instantly already thinking 200k. Like it has to. Like, the only way that it doesn't go 200k at least, right, is if something on it is wrong. Like if the ticker is wrong, if the image is wrong, some shit like that. If it's getting vamped, but the vamp is legitimately better, shit like that. But yeah, man, I would say right now, from just looking at, you know, a few of the coins that you bought, I think your main problem is your positioning. You are top blasting way too much. You're buying decent narratives, but you're positioning yourself into the coin really bad. Like, if you look at this coin, like if you saw this coin down here, and you think it's a good coin, a good narrative, it could go somewhere. Like, you could think it could go somewhere. You should be buying here. You know? You should be going here. So that's what I think kind of your main issue right now is. You're FOMO buying a lot. You're top blasting a lot. And I think by you doing that, that is making you not want to hold. Again, it's all psychological, right? All this trading shit is psychological. If you would have got entry anywhere down here, 9 times out of 10, you would be more calm and willing to hold. That's just kind of what it is, right? And, you know, the amounts that you trade with, right? Like, don't be over buying. You know, like if your port is $500 and you're blasting, you know, $250 every time you trade. Well, for one, you're trading with half of your port. 2, since you are trading with half of your port, you are basically psyching yourself out, because now you're hyper looking at the fucking chart. So any like crazy small dip that goes below your entry and all of a sudden you're down $50 is now a lot. You know what I mean? Because now $50 is 5% of your port. So those are kind of the things that you want to look for. Give me one sec. Those are kind of things that you want to look for, right? So, yeah. Yeah, man. I hope that helps. Yeah, 14K over, I think, since Sunday. But yeah, man. Hope that helps. Unfortunate, we would have had wobble. Ended up losing 1.2 on this, but I think next time we just gotta hold longer, you know? Hyro, I'll check some more wallets probably next stream. I'm not gonna be on much longer today. I'm probably about to get off like right now. Go eat. Hang out with the fam for a little bit. What's your opinion on Tolibot? I think it's cool. I did see it. Is it? I guess the only thing that I didn't research enough was to see if it was actually made by the Solana dude. That Solana dev. But it seems interesting. Do Hyro, he's down 20K. Jesus. Hyro, I'll look at yours tomorrow, man. Cause I'm gonna get off. I'm gonna get off here. How do you balance trenching with having a family? I mean, I think the biggest thing is you either balance it or you don't. So either you have to have a conversation with your wife and tell her that, okay, for the next month, 2 months, I'm going to be grinding this hard. Obviously be there for your kids still, whatever they have. Like, that's still really important as a father, right? But as far as like time with your wife, be like, okay, I have a month to 2 months. Give me a month to 2 months to grind this shit. You know, maybe the 3 or 4 hours that I'll spend with you, I'm gonna spend on this, and I could possibly change our lives. That's essentially what I did, because I was fucking on this shit like 13 hours a day. I was going fucking stupid, but I knew that if I did it long enough, I could change our lives forever. And that's essentially how that happened with my life, right? But I think the biggest thing is communicating your intention first, in like a positive way, and like being really upfront about it, instead of just like, you know, closing yourself off in a box, having those really bad days, and then taking it out on your family, your wife, whatever it is. Communication's always like the biggest thing that you want to have in your life, that kind of gives you that ground. But I think the real balance is there is no balance if you have no obligations, right? So if you don't have a family, I think you're the better candidate to be successful in this space, because the real reality of it is you do have to grind like hours, like more than a 9 to 5, like 10 plus hours, because you never know when a narrative can spawn, and your odds of catching that narrative obviously increase if you're on, 12 hours a day, right? I think having the discipline to be on for 12 hours a day and potentially never trade one coin is also super important. Because if you have the self-control to not buy every fucking coin that comes out that you see, then I think you'll be very, very successful, as far as being a trader, because you have that discipline of like waiting. I think TikTok has rotted a lot of people's brains. And I think that's kind of why, nobody really holds too much anymore. But yeah. What was I doing before crypto? I was a software engineer. I did software engineering, a lot of like data analytics, cybersecurity related things, stuff like that. Yeah, world just got freaking clipped on pretty hard. But yeah, no problem. But all right, guys, I'm gonna get off for the day, man. I appreciate y'all boys stepping into the stream. I know it was a short stream. We didn't really make any money, but if any of y'all held through, you made some money on Wobble. But yeah, short stream. We'll be back tomorrow for sure. It's gonna be a longer stream. I'm gonna try to aim for like 5 hours, 5-hour stream, something like that. And yeah, then we can lock in, man. Hopefully find something good. But yeah, that's gonna be about it. Love y'all boys and gals, if there are any gals in the chat. And hopefully we can find some real runners tomorrow. I'm thinking I'll probably get on a bit earlier, like morning. I mean, ideally, bro, I would like to get on at least at 10 o'clock, maybe 9. And then stream for like 5 hours. But we'll see. We'll see. Yeah, you could trade this in the US, for sure. But yeah, man. All right, boys. Love y'all, man. If y'all gonna keep on trading, be safe, be calculated, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Later.